The trial balance of a firm did not agree and it showed excess credit of rupees 4,000. So now students, it is given clearly that trial balance did not agree, and to make it agree a suspense account was created because it was showing an excess credit of rupees 4,000. So now students, since the trial balance was in excess credit by rupees 4,000, the suspense account will be put on the debit side. That is the side which shows the shorter of the two balances or the two totals. The following errors were found. Rectify them and prepare suspense account. So in this case, we are to rectify the errors and we have to prepare suspense account as well. The first error is the sales book was overcast by rupees 1,000. That means the total of the sales book is in excess by 1,000 rupees. The sales account always shows a credit balance because it is a nominal account. That means credit all incomes and gains. So when we say that it was overcast by rupees 1,000, that means the total of the credit side is in excess by 1,000. So to rectify it, the sales account should now be debited. Since the credit side was excess credit by rupees 1,000, so to rectify or to nullify it, we will debit sales account. Sales account debited to suspense account. Since it is a single-sided error, this error appears only in the sales book, so suspense account would be used to rectify it. The amount is rupees 1,000. Narration would be being sales book overcast, now corrected. Coming to the second case, the purchase book was undercast by rupees 5,000. Now students, in this case, it is clearly mentioned that the purchase book was undercast by rupees 5,000. It is a single-sided error as it affects only the purchases account. Now purchase book always shows debit balance because it is an expense, so debit all expenses. That means the total of the debit side is short by rupees 5,000. To rectify it, we will debit the purchase account again. Purchase account debited. Again, since it was a single-sided error, suspense account would be used. So the entry becomes purchases account debited to suspense account. The amount would be 5,000 on both sides. That is debit column and the credit column. Narration would be being purchase book undercast, now corrected. That completes your second entry. In third case, it says that salary of rupees paid 1,000 was not recorded in cash account. That again means that it is a single-sided error. Whenever we pay salary, the entry would be salary to cash. It would be recorded in salary account as well as in the cash account. But in this case, it was not recorded in cash account. So rectification would involve only the cash account. Cash account should have been credited, which it was not. So we will credit cash account now and debit suspense account. So the entry would be suspense account debited to cash account. Narration would be being salary paid, not recorded, now rectified. And the amount was 2,000 rupees. So now we have passed rectification entries for all these errors. Now we will post these entries into suspense account and see whether it tallies out or not.